What is going on, you guys? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at an advantage on the market. Right, so the next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency, you guys. If you haven't checked out my other videos, I did Tesla, NEO, and SMDL. I'm also going to be doing, I think, AMC and GME as well, and then that will be it for this morning. But let's go ahead and dive in, you guys. So, as for the morning, we're only up almost 1%. However, I have my lines and graphs already set. We're on the daily interval. This allows us to find our trend. This allows us to find our entries, our targets, and all that good stuff, okay? So this top line represents our major resistance line, and down here was our major support line. I told you guys weeks prior that after this parabolic move that we were going to have trouble breaking past this resistance area. We did. We came up, came back down, consolidated. That was when I told you guys that this would be a great ideal entry if you had your stop loss on the opposite side, your first target being back up here at the 33-cent area. And if you caught that, you can clearly see that you were tagged in and tagged out at your target, you guys. So that was a beautiful trade. As of right now, people are wondering, okay, is it a good buy as of right now? No, not really, because yes, we are in an upward trend. Yes, this looks like almost to be a 3-bar play, but you guys have to look what's right above that. We have this resistance right here. So unless you were trying to get in right now and set your first target to 33 cents, that's not a really huge move. But it could be done, but I'm just saying as of right now, that wouldn't be an ideal entry. I try to give you guys the best and safest entries to get in for the maximum profit. So what you could do is we could wait until we come up into this resistance area, because we're not sure if we'll be able to break past this. It's a tested area. If we look left, we have all these candlesticks that have been rejected or bouncing off of this level. So it's a heavily tested area, you guys. So even if we do come up into this 33-cent area, we can get pushed back all the way down to our major support level. I don't think we'll be pushing back all the way down, but I think we'll pull back down to the either 27 or 28-cent area. And excuse me. And I'll explain that here in a second. But if we do come up to this resistance area and we can break past that, if we can break past this and come up and come back down and retest that 33-cent area, then that could be a good ideal entry. Once we're on the opposite side, you just have your stop loss back down below the resistance line. So it'd be back down here. You can either have it under these candlesticks or just underneath. You do want to give yourself some room just in case a candlestick wick peekaboos below or above, as you can see, like this one. So like I'm saying, is that we're either waiting for this to break above this resistance area to come up and come back down, and then we'll wait for that entry. Or if we do come up into this resistance area and get rejected, the area that I'm looking for as an ideal entry, let me just zoom out real quick, would be back down here at this minor support level. So I'm going to put a line here. This is what I'm waiting for on Monday. If we do pull back down to this level, hopefully we can get there by over this weekend. It would be right here at this 28-cent level. This can be tested. You can see that we came up rejected here, and twice here until we pulled back down to our major support level, and which pushed us up into our major resistance level. So now we're kind of just chopping around. We're not really breaking new highs or new lows, so we're kind of just consolidating. Yes, we're above the trend line, but barely. So that's why I was saying it's trying to start this upward trend. But where it's headed is where the problem is. We're headed up into this resistance area. So that's why we want to wait and further confirm that buyers are truly stepping up, and that if we can break past this and come back down and retest it, that would be a good entry. And then if we don't and we end up getting rejected, or this ends up pulling back down to this level, like I said, the 28-cent area would be ideal, and then you just have your stop loss underneath the major support line back down at the 25-cent level, okay? I like to make these videos as fast and efficient as possible. If you learned something or you just enjoyed the video, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to make this content every single day. I'm starting a new challenge. It's going to be the $2,000 to $10,000 penny stock challenge. I already made my first video yesterday, so I'm going to start streaming live. Hopefully I can start that on Monday. So you guys want to stay updated on that, hit that notification bell. Other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.